Hey guys, it's Dr. Crypto here, and I hope everybody is doing well and super pumped for 2025. I am super pumped for 2025. I think it really is going to be a good year, and I know there's a lot of people out there very negative right now, but I'm staying absolutely positive for this year. I think it's going to be a good year. We've got a president of the United States of America who's pro-crypto, and we're starting to get like executive orders signed now for crypto as well. But also we can see here, Senator Loomis now is honoured to chair the Senate Banking Subcommittee on digital assets. So she's flying the flag for crypto, which she has been doing for many years, particularly Bitcoin. But overall, it's looking pretty good to my eyes. And like I said, I know some people are not, but in this video, we'll be talking about crypto.com and talking about CRO, and also be talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. But what we can see here, Donald Trump now has been signing the executive orders for crypto, and he's going to make the crypto hub of the world in the United States of America. And you can see it play here. And when you see this, if you're not feeling bullish now, I really do not know what to say at all. This is like a monumental, this is like what actually Rodney said on here. It's like a monumental step for Web3 and crypto adopted in the US. It wasn't that long ago when it was 2.20 with Senator Warren, Gary Gensler, and Sherman, who were just absolutely really causing so much uncertainty in the crypto space. And now we're starting to get clarification in the crypto space, which makes me super bullish for 2025. And we can see Eleanor here, which is actually goes through quite a lot regarding about the executive orders, about the President Working Group on digital assets, making markets strengthen the US leadership in digital finance. So this is another step forward in terms of making United States the capital crypto hub of the world, and also for AI as well. So you can read through what she says here about the working groups that were being created. And also the White House AI Crypto Bazaar will engage leader experts in digital assets and digital markets to ensure that the actions of the working groups are informed by experts beyond the federal government. So they'll be bringing in people like Chris from the crypto.com CRO and Brian Armstrong from Coinbase and other parts of the industry, like, you know, into the space to actually help to advise in terms of what needs to be done to give proper regulatory clarifications to not just the community and the investors, but also to the industry, so they can build their blockchains with more certainty and with clear regulation. But one token that has been frustrating a lot of people, and it frustrates me as well, and I see it in the comments, a lot of people feeling very negative about CRO, that it's not doing anything at all. And I get it. I hold a big bag of CRO. I really do. And when you see it pumping up and then suddenly it gets pushed back down again, and when you see in comments people saying you don't know what you're talking about, you're not being very objective, you're talking crap or talking shit or something like that, it's frustrating when you make these videos. And I'm only doing these videos basically because I enjoy doing them. I don't get any money for it, more bar a little bit from YouTube. I'm not sponsored by anybody or anything like that. I do these videos because I enjoy doing it. But I get the frustration people are having because people have been DCAing into CRO and they want to be seeing it at $1. I want to see it at $1 because you see everything that crypto.com are doing in terms of their building and development, which is absolutely fantastic. And we can see what the Cronos chain is doing, but the price action of CRO really isn't following suit. And I get the frustration. I really do. But and people say, I'm always bullish on CRO. Yes, I am bullish on CRO. When I was buying down in the bear market, and when you see big moves like this happening, but then we come back down, it's disheartening, and I get it. So, but overall, I am sitting on my hands. I am being patient. I have bought the dip, and at some point, I'm pretty sure that we will be making moves towards the upside. And to do that, I think it's going to be more good news come out for crypto.com, but also it's going to help when we get burns, and we want burns to get that price moving up because we see other exchanges doing that, and you can see the price action, how quickly it moves up. BitGet token, and I mentioned this in other videos, moved up 400%. Look what BNB's doing. We want to be doing the same, and I get it. So when people say to me, I'm talking crap, no, I'm not. 20 years in the industry. But Ada, at 0.07. I bought a lot of that in the bear market of 2019, and it made a lot of money. And I bought a lot of XRP as well. So because I was patient, ADA went up to $3, and I was super happy. You've got to be patient. If you don't want to be patient and you're fed up, sell it. Simple as. Sell it. Don't watch these videos either. Just sell your CRO. Simple. But I personally think it's crazy to do that, because there's nothing I say in these financial advice. And I always say, always do your own research. Never always listen to YouTubers, because they always can be wrong as well. They could be right and they could be wrong. You do what you need to do. But I do what I'm doing. I'm only telling you what I'm doing. You need to do your own research and do your own risk management. Basically, that's it. But anyway, the CRO at the moment is fighting against that 20 EMA. Yesterday, we fought against it, got rejected. We're fighting against it again. Is this going to be another rejection? Look, if Bitcoin drops down heavy today or something like that, then obviously CRO is going to tank down, and it can go up to 0.10 or 0.11. It could go to one of those kind of areas down here. So you just got to be prepared for that. You've got to have those risk management. But overall, I am super bullish on CRO. Look, at the end of the day, you're going to get your naysays, and that's the way it is. Every chain, every ecosystem has the naysays. It's the way it is. But the crypto market's sitting at 3.6 million. Bitcoin at the moment, we can look at that. We're well above that 20 EMA and 50 EMA. Bullish sign here, we've got the 50 crossing over the 20 EMA. Right now, what we've done is we're coming out of this falling wedge right now, and we're coming up to an area of resistance. This yellow line here is an area of resistance that we keep on knocking against and getting rejected and coming down. But this little blue line here is an area of support that we're getting at the moment, which is around about that $100,000. But I personally think that if the bulls could step in now, that we can make our way towards the upside. Break this area of resistance here, this area here, break above that, and we could go going back up to all-time highs again. But we can see in the oscillators as well, we got money inflows, coming in, which is super bullish as well. So it will be interesting to see what happens with the markets today. If we get some more positive news regarding crypto and Bitcoin today from the US presidential, then obviously that's going to be super bullish again, and that could move up the price again. So overall, with Bitcoin, nothing's really happening too much at the moment, but overall, it's looking super bullish as well. But we can see the ETFs coming in as well. As people are panic selling, people are worried and they're selling the Bitcoin. We've got the institutions and we've got the whales buying. We've got 188 million inflows coming in as well. And we can see here, Lucky also says here, US spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded 3.6 billion of inflows over the past 6 days. That's a clear sign of the growing institutional interest in Bitcoin. The future looks bright. Crypto adoption's coming. They're not just buying Bitcoin, they're buying altcoins as well. And we can see that with Donald Trump's company as well. A lot of other companies are buying altcoins as well. So overall, but one thing coin I am watching, which will help alt season, is Ethereum, because Ethereum has just been rock bottom. It's been absolutely terrible. I own a lot of Ethereum. I bought some back in 2019, and I'm still holding it now. But we're on this falling wedge. We need to break out this falling wedge for a push towards the upside. We have got a bit of green here coming in towards the upside. We can see here just breaking towards the upside. Break this falling wedge, and momentum is to the upside. We want to see Ethereum make moves to the upside. We want dominance to come down. We want the USDT dominance to also start to come down as well. So overall, if we can get these to happen, then obviously this is going to absolutely trigger alt season. So it's all about being patient. Yes, people say you're talking rubbish about being patient. No, it's all about being patient and waiting out to see what plays out. Overall, super bullish. I am super bullish on crypto. I'm super bullish on CRO. Though you're going to get the naysayers, I'm holding tight. I'm going to see what happens in 2025 and go from there. But overall, you get the naysayers. You will get your naysayers. When this market really moves, you're going to regret selling. Nothing I say is financial advice. I still hold a lot of different altcoins. And this is why I say also, regarding people get frustrated with CRO, is to don't just go into a one token. Go into a diverse portfolio. And when you start taking profits, you've got to pay your taxes. But what I do with my profits, after I pay my taxes, I buy property. I've got holiday lets. I've got letting company and properties that I own, which I rent out. And I own like holiday lets as well. And then I invest into the stock markets and also have money to one side to buy on the bear market. So yeah, that's what I do. And maybe I might do a video one day. Let me know in the comments. Do you want to see a video how I deal with my profits when I go into what do I do with it? What do I do with the profits that I make from crypto? Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a video of where I invest my crypto profits to. So yeah, smash that like button, give a subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.